So this is a short video about my goal of bike camping and bike racing the Colorado Trail Race in 2020. It's been a long-term bucket list item, something I've been looking forward to a long time, and the planning starts now. A few small problems: I've never bike camped, I don't know too many of the segments of the trail by bike, and ultimately not familiar with the logistics of the race. So the goal was to hook up with a buddy, Justin Hawley, last month and do a dry run of the first few segments, camp, head back, just to see if this is something we're willing to tackle.
If I learn how to fall.
Nice one, Dad.
I walked off in the dark, no direction or aim. I lost my life's meaning, forgot my own name.
It's not all glamorous bike riding through falling leaves.
Forgot how to live. Now I'll learn how.
Denver to basically segment 3 of the Colorado Trail near Buffalo Creek, and then heading back the next day. The race next year will be 550 miles from Denver to Durango, about 77,000 feet of climbing, and again self-supported, so carrying all your own gear and just pedaling. So
early triathletes and Tour de France riders would just chew a piece of gum for 2-3 hours on a pot no water.
Forget how to talk. Mid-crippled men who are learning
Just to make sure that when I drink this water, it doesn't come directly out of my back door.
how to fall. I believe in a world where the blind man will see. These rich men have wealth but will never be free. The globe may be big, but the world is so small.
I want to use this race as a platform for good and fundraise for a local charity that I believe in. So quitting is not an option, and with that being said, it was imperative that I figured out if this is something I wanted to do, and 2, if this is something I felt like I could pull off.
Tasty little breakfast.
Out of Waterton Canyon. Steep little climb. Plenty of switchbacks. Nice.
Well, I swam all these waters and crossed all this land, but it takes one long year just to learn how to stand. The last bridge was burning by men who built walls. 100 long years to learn how to fall.
Last climb of the ride.